Guys, what's up? It's my name is Playtwin, and today I'm unboxing this quad-copter drone of some sort, DFD 180C series. So it's the F series right here. You can see that. Camera upload. I'll definitely be doing some videos on this. It's already open because so the people that gave it to me tested it. So yeah. So open this baby up. I read this, like, you need to read this. Like, I did not know how to use it, and I just read it, and I was like, whoa. So put this box down. Look, once again. And you get this. There's two other papers. It's just like safety and warranty, I believe. Leave that there, and let's just open this puppy up. So here's the drone itself. The webcam is right there, or the camera. You just put these two and it'll turn on and stuff. Your blades, crash protector. I believe it's detachable. I hope it's detachable. That's what it says on there. So yeah, move this out of the way. That there. Here comes the controller. This is a liquid crystal display. So I mean, you'll see like your throttle output, your what's called fine tuning. Like if you want it more to the right, to turn right more, then just like hit these buttons and stuff. You got your cables, like extra blades. I believe there's a motor in here, extra motor, yeah, right there. And you got a blade changer, USB charging tools, and doing some funny things here. I have the batteries here. I have like extras, but I took them from my remote. So just to give you a little test of it, I'll turn it on. First, turn on this. And you have to set the frequency. So it's like you turn it on, up, and then down. Set the frequency. See the lights here? That means you set the frequency if the lights are like that. So turn this on. Up, down. There you go. So here's the crystal display right here. So what's this? Up and down, I think. As you can see, your throttles like that. Your percentage, battery percent on the controller, not the drone itself. Connection, your signal connection. I believe it goes 100 meters. 100 meters, I should say. 100 meters. You guys can pause and look at all the things here. I have no idea how much this was because it was given to me, but it seems pretty cool. Do some cool stuff with this. Just give you a little test. I'm not the best flyer, so I'm probably gonna crash it. So here we go. So you have to set out 5 real fast. Emojis.
Oh shit.
I don't know what I'm doing. But that's a little test. I'll do a video on this, like I'll record like
we should go outside and test it out.
Yeah, you know, while in the sky. So we'll probably switch to the view on here, and I'll see you guys in a minute.
Yeah, I know.